Hi friends, welcome to channel. Let's check with today's vacancies. Java developer இது வந்து யூஎஸ்க்காக ஸோ கேண்டிடேட் வந்து ஸ்கைப் இன்டர்வியூ. திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் Capgemini. விசா ப்ராசஸிங் வந்து ஜிசி இருக்கலாம், இல்லை யூஎஸ்சி H1 ஆர் டிஎன். ஸோ மஸ்ட் ஹாவ் அ லிங்க்டின் அக்கௌண்ட்டு. பேக்ரவுண்ட் வெரிஃபிகேஷன் கம்பல்சரி இருக்கும். ஜாப் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் வந்து மினிமம் 8 years of experience in a role of software engineer, strong knowledge of object-oriented designs, business process innovations, Java, Spring Microservices, Spring Boot, and Spring Batch. Understanding the working knowledge in Spring, JPA, and Hibernate to stores, in coding unit, integration test to allow for embedding in continuous integration services, a strong skill sets by building API using say API gateway and Lambda. Hands-on experience of writing infrastructure codings using cloud formation templates. So mail to meena@pilvisystems.com. இது வந்து completely for US. ஸோ இங்கேருந்து who has H1 visa இருக்குது, who are interested to மூவ்னாலும் நீங்கள் அப்ளை பண்ணலாம், இல்லை அங்கே இருக்க கேண்டிடேட்ஸும் அப்ளை பண்ணலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வேக்கன்சி டெப்யூட்டி மேனேஜர். This is for a tool room. Deputy manager in a tool room. Candidate must have an automobile background, minimum 10 to 20 years experience, location Chennai, and technical degree or diploma. CTC வந்து up to 12 lakhs வரைக்கும். Need candidates from a plastic injection molding tool room background only, and this is for Adonis staffs. Maintenance engineer. Maintenance engineer, it's an engineer or a senior engineer maintenance. Qualification வந்து BE or ME in electronic or electrical engineering with the C certified இருக்கணும். 10 years experience, power management, maintenance of plastic injection molding machines, generators, molds, and a hot runner system controls, assembly equipments, testing equipments, PLC, lot systems, resistance welding machines, and electronic components, robotic soldering and plus heating solderings and laboratory equipments. Location வந்து Chennai. Quality controller, which we have 5 numbers. Minimum 2 years experience in apparel industries, salary based on skill, immediate appointment. Company வந்து it is for an Hagil Apparel Exports, Tirupur. Contact person Prem, and the email ID is we have given here, and post your resume. Assistant manager HR. Looking for an assistant manager HR. Candidates for a leading food manufacturing company for a Bangalore. MBA in HR with 5 to 7 years of experience in poultry or food processing retail industries preferred. Immediate joiners preferred. Should possess the following: minimum 2 years of experience in handling end-to-end payroll activities, demonstrated proficiency in payroll and HRIS software, in Microsoft Office Excel, experience of working with the HR, payroll system and reporting tools, good verbal and written communication skills, strong analytical problem solving skills, ability to be a self-motivated and self-directed and thinking and act independently while also being a team oriented. Next, good follow-up skills, the ability to understand, ability to process changes, and a strong sense of importance and ownership. So mail us and we'll put forward your profile. AWS Tech Lead, Senior AWS Engineer. இதில் 2 numbers vacancy இருக்குது. One is Chicago and another one is Flemington, I think so. நான் செக் பண்ணிவிட்டு சொல்கிறேன். AWS Tech Lead for a Chicago opening is for, the location is Chicago, and Skype interview Capgemini Financial Services காக. Looking for an experienced and motivated AWS platform engineer to be part to innovative solutions in AWS cloud for a Gemini Financial Services. The candidate will have the opportunity to be part of many transformation strategic initiatives. AWS architects and engineers to form the best mind in a cloud forms solutions in the financial services area, including a creation of reusable best of class AWS assets. A successful candidate will bring depth of DevOps engineering capabilities and complex CI/CD pipelines with AWS platform strategic and hands-on experience with AWS and centric architecturals, also including a migration applications to AWS, and the willingness to be both of leader and contributors to the overall AWS ecosystems. Your future duties and responsibilities: designs and build reusable AWS platform solutions for accelerated implementations of CI/CD pipelines and AWS stacks for Gemini Financial Services, catering to retail banking, commercial banking, payments, capital markets, and insurance. Visual clarity with the C develop concepts, hands-on experience with the architectural layers, experience with 12-factor implementations, produced a high quality technical designs, and mandatory experience using AWS code develop, and ability of communicate in DevOps environment, must own ability to learn fast, adapt to earn new technologies, and keep a current in industrial certification designs. AWS certification specialized to AWS certified advanced networking specialist